Which phone mount is actually good for your Ford Focus? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're uncovering the best options that keep your phone secure and accessible while driving. Product number 1: VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount. First up is the VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount, priced at $25.98. What caught my eye is its impressive suction strength of over 85 pounds, making it one of the strongest on the market. If you want a mount that stays put no matter the road conditions, this is worth a serious look. It can be mounted on your dashboard or windshield, giving you flexibility based on your car's interior. Plus, with a 360-degree rotation feature, you can easily switch from GPS to music controls without taking your eyes off the road. This is crucial for keeping your focus on driving while still accessing your smartphone's features smoothly. Now, I have to mention that some users have complained about the initial installation being tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up correctly, it holds strong, and any minor inconvenience during setup seems totally worth it considering the performance you get in return. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and reliability in a phone mount. Skip this one if you prefer something more budget-friendly or if you don't want to deal with a slightly challenging installation process. Overall, it provides excellent value for your money. Now, if that installation hassle made you hesitant, the next product might be a great alternative for easier setup. Product number 2: Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder. Next, we have the Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder, priced at just $9.99. The first thing that stands out is its affordability, making it a solid choice if you're on a budget. If you want a versatile and economical mount, this is worth a serious look. This mount features a double-lock suction cup and an upgraded air vent clip, giving you multiple installation options. The adjustable arm extends from 3.7 to 5.9 inches, allowing you to position your phone just where you need it. This matters because it ensures you can adjust the mount to avoid blocking your view while keeping your phone accessible for navigation. However, some users reported that the suction can weaken over time, especially if exposed to high heat. But here's a positive spin: you can reactivate its stickiness simply by washing it with water and letting it air dry, making it quite user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers flexibility in mounting. Skip this one if you exclusively need a heavy-duty mount, since it's not designed for tough conditions. It's a great value for the price you pay. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more durable. Product number 3: VANMASS Universal Suction Cup Mount. The third product is another offering from VANMASS, priced at $24.97. What grabbed my attention is its military-grade certification, which signifies durability and reliability. If you want a mount that can handle the rigors of daily driving, this is worth a serious look. It's also designed to resist UV rays, so you don't have to worry about it melting away under the sun. The arm extends from 5.26 inches to nearly 10 inches, allowing you to adjust it perfectly for your field of view. This is particularly important because you want to ensure that your phone is easy to see without being a distraction while driving. That said, some reviews mentioned that it may not stick well on leather dashboards. Here's the thing: if you can mount it on a flat, smooth surface, it performs exceptionally well and is stable. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy and reliable mount for daily use. Skip this one if your dashboard is leather or curved, as that could affect its performance. It's definitely a good investment considering its quality and features. Now, if you're looking for an option that's even easier to install, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4: Kifatan 3-in-1 Phone Holder. Coming in at $9.99, the Kifatan 3-in-1 Phone Holder is next on our list. What I found appealing is its multifunctionality. It can be mounted on your windshield, dashboard, or air vent. If you want flexibility in how you mount your phone, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a double-lock suction cup, this holder guarantees strong suction on smooth surfaces. The arm extends from 6.5 to 8.1 inches, giving you options for how far away from your dashboard you want it. This is great for ensuring your phone is at the right distance for visibility without obstructing your view of the road. However, some users found that the suction power can diminish if exposed to dirt. The good news is, much like the previous model, you can simply wash it to regain its stickiness. It's an easy fix for what could be a minor inconvenience, and it keeps the product usable for a long time. This is perfect for you if you need a mount that adapts to your environment easily. Skip this one if you want something that can withstand tougher conditions, as it's best suited for everyday driving. It's a solid value given its features and price. Now, if you're looking for something that accommodates thick cases, you'll want to stick around for our last pick. Product number 5, Lamicall Vent Phone Holder. Last but not least, we have the Lamicall Vent Phone Holder priced at $9.99. What stood out to me is its design, which accommodates thicker phone cases easily. If you need a mount that won't struggle with bulkier devices, this is worth a serious look. This holder boasts an improved stability system with a 4-lock protection feature, ensuring your phone stays put even during sharp turns or bumpy rides. It's compatible with both vertical and horizontal air vents, giving you options based on your car's setup. The 360-degree rotation allows for perfect positioning for navigation or calls, which is essential for staying safe while driving. On the downside, some users have mentioned that it doesn't fit well on round vents. But honestly, if you have standard vertical or horizontal air vents, it works like a charm and provides a secure fit. This is perfect for you if you have a bulkier phone or case and want a simple yet effective solution. Skip this one if your vehicle has round vents, as compatibility could be an issue. It's a great option for the price, especially for those with thicker devices. Alright, we've gone through some solid options. But remember, the best phone mount for your Ford Focus ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. So to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 great phone mounts for your Ford Focus. The VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount for durability, the Kifatan Dash-Mounted Holder for budget friendliness, the VANMASS Universal Suction Cup for military-grade reliability, the Kifatan 3-in-1 for versatility, and the Lamicall Vent Holder for thick case compatibility. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on what matters most to you.